We are here today. We're gonna build some raised bed for our garden, and as you can see behind me, this is my workshop tools. So Nora and I will get started, and the boy will join us later. Okay?
Like this one.
So now here is the bed. It's really finished. It's a very large one, so it's 8 feet by 4. 8 feet by 4.
8 by 4?
Yep. And then we're gonna move it to the other side where we're gonna plant the stuff.
Okay, let's go.
Okay? Here where you're taking the leaves. So I'm going to show you how to make the mulch and then put him in the raised bed here. So what I'm going to do is I have this bucket and I'm going to put some leaves on it right here. Leaves are a little bit wet. Alright. So now I have enough leaves. What I'm going to do is just to use this to cut them. Right. 3, 2, 1. What I need to do is just like take them also and then do like this and then wash them again. And I can grab this and then put it in the raised bed. Like this. So now I got this. I'm gonna go grab gonna go grab the soil. I'm gonna go grab the soil, and then once I get the soil, I'm gonna put this and then just mix it. Then later it's gonna be ready for planting. So this is what it looks like after I munch the leaves and put the topsoil. There you go. Now they're almost ready for veggies.
Water me. We've already put soil and now we're watering them. Yeah, we also put the seeds in. Yeah, we also put leaves. And this one we're gonna go grow strawberries and tomatoes. Yeah, and this one
Lettuce here.
Lettuce. And green beans
and then right here
is corn.
Corn.
And then green beans right there.
And green beans. Carrots on it.
Carrots. Yes. Just carrots. Carrots.
So we already seeded them.
Yep. Now I'm gonna have to wait until August or September. Yeah.
Nala, which one do you prefer?
I like strawberries. I like the strawberries and the tomatoes. Yeah.
So that's one that you're gonna put strawberries and tomatoes on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Half is strawberry, half.
What is that? So what is this?
These are tomatoes. These ones are tomatoes, and the three-leaf ones are eggplants. These type of ones are tomatoes. The ones that look like this. Are these like killer bugs?
And this is a watermelon.
It says muskmelon.
Yeah, but it's just a type of watermelon.
What are these?
And I put also some pumpkins and
Oh,
squash.
pumpkins?
Yeah, the seeds. I put them underground.
Oh my god. Are we gonna water them? So now we don't need to buy them.
No. So this is the lettuce.
Yeah.
They're germinating, right?
Yeah, are we gonna water them?
Yeah. And what is this?
Mint.
This is mint.
They are ready. I feel like this one tastes better than this one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.